it once again.
Exercise 8.4. The first question. Express trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. Express trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. So what is the meaning? Sin A you have to convert as cot A. Secant A you have to convert as cot A. Tan A you have to convert as cot A. First we can consider sin A. Sin A you have to convert as cot A. We have to consider sin A. You have to transfer to cot A. Already we know three trigonometric identities. I will recall you. The first trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. The second trigonometric identity is 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. The third trigonometric identity, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So memorize this three trigonometric identities, then we can solve the sum easily. So first question is sin A you have to convert as cot A. So directly we can't convert. For that we can consider, already we know that the third trigonometric identity we can consider as third trigonometric identity, 1 plus cot square. Instead of theta here they are given A, so 1 plus cos square A equal to cosecant square A. So we can consider this. Just I am transferring, I am writing cosecant square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. Square transfer to that side, it will become root. Cosecant A equal to square you are transferring, that side will become root 1 plus cot square A. Cosecant A we found. Already we know well sin A is the reciprocal of cosecant A. Cosecant A is the reciprocal of sin A. Sin A you need now, we can write 1 divided by cosecant A. So sin A you are writing as it is 1 divided by cosecant A. Now only we found. We can write this answer here, square root of 1 plus cot square A. The question is sin A you have to convert as cot A. So sin A answer came 1 divided by square root of 1 plus cot square A. Sin A we converted as cot. So this is the first part. The second one is secant A you have to convert as cot A. The second one, in the first one itself, second one, secant A you have to convert as cot A. For that we have to consider the second trigonometric identity, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. We can consider the second trigonometric identity. The second one, secant A convert as cot A. For that we are using the second identity. What is the second identity? Secant square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. Secant square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. Now square, secant square A write as it is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Tan square A is the reciprocal of cot. Already I told you that shortcut method. Tan is the reciprocal of cot. Tan A we can write 1 divided by cot A. Tan A we can write 1 divided by cot A. Tan square A means you can write just square. Tan square A we can write 1 divided by cot square A. So instead of tan square A we can write 1 divided by cot squared A. Now do the cross multiplication. Cot squared A, 1 into cot squared A plus 1 divided by cot squared A. The left hand side secant squared A, write as it is. Square you are transferring to that side, it will become root. So secant A equal to square you are transferring that side will become root of cot squared A plus 1 divided by cot squared A. That's all. Secant A we are converted as cot. The question is secant A convert to cot. For that we consider second identity. Secant squared A equal to 1 plus tan squared A. Instead of tan squared A we written 1 divided by cot squared A. Cross multiplication. Square you transfer to that side, it will become root. Then secant A equal to square root of cot squared A plus 1 divided by cot squared A. The third one is tan A we have to convert as cot A. Third one is tan A we have to convert as cot A. Third one, tan A convert as cot A. Already we know very well tan A is the reciprocal of cot. So 1 divided by cot A. So we can write directly. So sin A convert to cot A, we are using the third trigonometric identity. The second one secant A convert to cot means we are using the second trigonometric identity. In the third one tan A convert to cot, directly we are taking the reciprocal concept, tan A equal to 1 divided by cot A.